Yo, what is good guys, it's your boy Prod Reps back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing these Travis Scott Jordan 1 High OG, as you can see on that box right there. And these were sent to me from Pancake. Huge shout out to them, really appreciate them for sending these out. That's the box right there, clean box, everything about this looks perfect. And yeah, look at that, Nike, everything's on there is perfect. Let's open the box up, take a look at that. Yeah, just the red inside on that box. And yeah, huge shout out for Pancake for sending these Travis Scotts out my way. All their information will be on screen right now, their website and everything we link down below. Use my, well, don't forget to use my discount code PROD for $20 off your order when you purchase on their website. All the information will be down below, so definitely go check them out. And yeah, look at these shoes right here, absolutely amazing. These are like the OG Travis Scott High MOCHAS. Nice shoe, look at there, it's got like with the laces and stuff. Yeah, there's a nice detail, that's the sole right there. And yeah, got all those laces, move it out of the way. That's like all the stitching, look at all the stitching, just looks absolutely perfect. Everything about it is good. And you've got like pink, red, and yeah, that's the tongue right there. Travis Scott logo. And yeah, that's what that shoe looks like. It's a really good shoe. Yeah, shipping time, well, I got this, it's like they're only $150 on their website, which is pretty good. Shipping took by like 7 days, not bad shipping at all, pretty good. Yeah, and look, there's the Air Jordan logo right there, stitching on it's perfect. Let's take a look at the other shoe. Here you go, that's what it looks like. Absolutely amazing shoe. These can go for any outfit that you want. And yeah, thanks for Pancake for sending these out. Definitely use my discount code PROD for $20 off. And yeah, the quality of like these shoes are actually good, crazy good. Like, this is the best sneaker website. If you guys want some high quality things, definitely check out Pancake. These are definitely good. The materials are 1-to-1, the like stitching is 1-to-1, colors are 1-to-1, everything looks just like literally the same. This is the sole with the Nike tick right there. And yeah, it's got like this nice brown sway and then like white leather, and that's the Travis Scott logo at the back of the shoe. Let me just focus it in. That's the tongue, Nike Air logo there. Everything's literally 1-to-1. I know someone who has this exact pair and these look exactly the same, which is crazy. Cactus Jack logo on the tongue again. And yeah, pretty nice shoe. I got these in a size 11, which yeah, it's gonna look really good on any outfits. And yeah, look at that right there, really nice shoe. And yeah, this is the other shoe again, just the materials are absolutely perfect. This is the inside of it right there. And yeah, these are the two shoes but side by side. Let's move those laces out of the way. They're actually pretty generous with the amount of laces they gave us, which is pretty cool. That's what they look like right there. It's also got like that Travis Scott like Cactus Jack thing on the white leather, which is a nice detail to add. And that's the Air Jordan logo right there, which is a nice detail. I really do like these shoes. And yeah, thanks so much for Pancake for sending these out. Definitely go check out, all the information will be linked down below, so definitely go check them out. Thank you guys for sending that shoe out my way, and definitely use my discount code PROD for $20 off your order. And yeah, that'll be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down what I should review next.